Hello friends, this is Seher from Easy Peasy, and today we are going to discuss about biology. Now, biology is a branch of science, just like chemistry and other sciences you can see on the picture. And biology is the study of living things. It's not only the study of living things, but also the non-living things that are affecting the living things. For a biologist, life is a set of characteristics that distinguish living organisms from non-living organisms. And living organisms are highly organized, complex entities and are composed of one or more cells. Living organisms have genetic material, DNA, and they use energy to survive. Living organisms can move. They can grow from baby into an adult. They can reproduce into one of their own kind, like here in this picture, you can see the development of a new baby inside the tummy. And living organisms can react to the environment. For example, sweating in summer and shivering in winter. Now, biology is not a simple concept. Rather, it's a big concept having a set of other studies as well. The most common studies of biology includes molecular biology. Molecular biology studies life at the molecular level, like DNA, proteins, and cell structure. Environmental biology. Environmental biology studies how organisms interact with their surroundings, especially in relation to human activities. Microbiology. Microbiology focuses on tiny organisms such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Freshwater biology. This branch of biology deals with the organisms living in freshwater bodies like rivers and lakes, etc. Marine biology, this is the study of life in seas and oceans. This includes the study of marine life and their physical and chemical characteristics of the sea acting as factors for marine life. Parasitology. Parasitology, this is the branch of biology which deals with the study of parasites. The structure, mode of transmission, life histories, and host-parasite relationship are studied in parasitology. Human biology. Human biology focuses entirely on humans, their structure, function, genetics, and evolution. Social biology. This is the branch of biology which deals with the study of social behavior and communal life of human beings. Biotechnology. Biotechnology uses living organisms to develop useful products and technologies like medicines, crops, and even glowing plant. As you can see in this picture, they combine the genes of firefly with this plant. That's why this plant is glowing. So in simple terms, biology is the science that helps us understand life from tiny molecular to entire ecosystem. And if you continue studying biology, you will discover just how amazing and complex life really is. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye for now.